Good morning to each and everybody. I have a message, and if this message is meant for you, here it goes. The power of gratitude. Gratitude changes everything. 1 Thessalonians 5 verse 15 says, "Give thanks in all circumstances." When you start thanking God for what you have, you'll notice more blessings showing up. Gratitude turns pain into peace and pressure into praise. So this morning I just want to add by saying there's a book that I read not so long ago, and this book stipulated that if you put positive out to the world via your mouth, mind thinking, you'll get multiple positive things in return. But if you speak negative, believe me, negative will return. So stay blessed, stay humble. God bless.